Okay. So next is to open this Mi Home app. Okay. So while we're at it, turn on your Bluetooth. Okay. Select the plus sign so you can automatically detect that the Mi Robot vacuum is within range. So just press this one, select the router that you're going to connect it with, then input the password and press next. So it will connect. Okay, just have to wait for a few moments, simply just like that. Okay. Normally this would take roughly a minute or two depending on the speed of your internet connection. Okay, so the best way to connect it fast is to place your robot vacuum and your phone near the Wi-Fi router for you to easily pair the both of them. Okay. Okay, so we're almost done. Okay, so we're done. So go inside this robot vacuum. So it says it's charging at 51% at the moment. Okay, so as we enter the vacuum, you see that. Okay, so how does your robot work? So you can browse this on your own. Okay, so let's start. Okay, you see many functions here. Okay, let's just agree. Cleaning area, battery, and how much time it consumes. Okay, so we go to the settings, vacuum settings. Okay, so place it to where you are. Okay, voice pack. Okay, let's select some other voice pack for this. Okay, there's English here. So most of you who don't understand Chinese, select this one. Use the English voice pack. Okay, so in a while it will download the English language pack, so your vacuum will talk in English. Okay, especially when there are notification warnings and something important, you'll be able to understand it. Okay. Okay, so while we're at it, you can select the volume to maximum. Okay. Normally you can set the do not disturb mode in the evening, roughly. Maybe you want to set it at 9 in the evening, then you can set it at 5 in the morning. Okay, so those would be your do not disturb moments. Okay, so it's still downloading. Come back for it. Okay, so you can set your cleanup mode, balance, turbo, or full speed. Normally we set it at turbo for better cleaning. Okay, so here is the care mode. So you'll be asking me, when do I need to replace the filter, the brush, and the other sensors? When do I need to clean it? So there you can see it here. Everything's here. So the app would probably notify you when you would need to replace them. Okay, so another important settings is as much as possible, try not to update the firmware update, because sometimes as long as it's working properly, I don't recommend you updating it because it's still being sold in China and not yet globally. So yeah. Okay, so cleaning history. Okay, so we haven't started it yet since it's new. Timer. Okay, this one is important. Add timer. So I want to start it every day. Okay, so I want to start the cleaner, the vacuum, every 3 in the morning. So just set it like this, 3 in the morning. So every morning it will wake up at 3, cleaning mode. So I want turbo. Okay, so set it. Okay, so every morning on its own, it will wake up at 3 o'clock. It will start cleaning. Okay, so let's check the voice pack. Okay. Okay, our current setting is the English voice pack, so okay, so we'll try to use the clean function right now. When we clean, for the first time when you press the clean, it will automatically map out the whole area it's going to clean. So next time it will know the walls and everything. So okay. Okay, now we're going to press clean. Okay, you'll hear the vacuum. Okay, and it's all running. This is the brush. And by the way, this is the virtual wall that you can buy separately in case you want the vacuum to avoid this place when it's cleaning. You can place the virtual wall. Okay, so one danger for the robot vacuum is the wires, the dangling wires around. Okay. Okay, so right now it's mapping its own using its sensor. It's trying to detect every place, every wall in the house. Okay. Okay. So every corner you can clean it pretty much well. Okay, so yeah, so every obstruction it will avoid it. Okay. So many of us are having problems cleaning the house, especially when you're at work and when there's nobody to clean the home. So it's a bit problematic, but with the Xiaomi robot vacuum, it cleans even the tiniest place, even under the sofa, like this. It will go inside with no sweat. Yeah. Like that. Normally a human would not try to sweep under the sofa, especially when you're quite a bit lazy doing it. Okay, something like this, it won't force its way out, just returns to its route, going back to where it came from. Just like that. Okay. So it has 12 sensors attached to it. You just need to regular clean it after 30 hours because dust will accumulate inside the sensor, so it will prevent its accuracy. Okay. There it goes. Okay, so while you're busy doing other chores at home, just let your robot vacuum do the task. It will do everything neatly, probably even better than you cleaning it on your own because of its vacuum function. Okay. It cleans even the tiniest place at home where you never reach it. Just enters it and boom, cleans it just like it should be cleaned. Okay. Okay, let's try to place a wall here and see. Okay, so okay. So when it cleans the house thoroughly, it will automatically return to the dock and charge on its own. Okay, but you can command it anytime. Pause. Okay, then press this one, dock.
Going back to the dock.
Okay, it says going back to the dock. Okay. Okay, automate the magnet will face the dock and slowly, okay, just like that, just like that. Okay, it will slowly ease itself back to the magnet of the dock.
Charging.
Okay, so there you go. Okay, so that's how you use the robot vacuum. So in case you want to clean it, it's just simply opening this one. Okay, taking this out.
Dustbin removed.
Okay, so you can see dust inside. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you can see the dust. It's washable using water, so there's no problem washing this thing. It's pretty easy. Normally I wash mine for once every week. So yeah, this is it for the Xiaomi robot vacuum tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.